Hello guys, this is Amor again. Welcome to Module 3. Module 3 talks about statistical analysis in finance. Statistical analysis plays a crucial role in finance, from consumer decisions to business strategies. This presentation explores key concepts in statistical analysis and their applications in the financial world, covering measures of center, spread, and position, as well as various statistical distributions and data visualization techniques. We'll dive into how these tools can help make informed financial decisions, manage risk, and optimize investments. Join me as we unravel the power of statistics in shaping financial landscapes. Measures of center, mean, median, and mode. Arithmetic mean, the most common average calculated by summing all values and dividing by the number of values. Median, the middle value when data is ordered, useful for data sets with extreme values or outliers. Mode, the most frequent value in a data set, can be bimodal if two values have the same highest frequency. Geometric mean, calculated by multiplying all values and taking the nth root, useful for growth rates and returns. Measures of spread, standard deviation and variance. Standard deviation is a measure of how far data values are from their mean. It provides a numerical measure of all variation in a data set. In finance, it's used to quantify investments volatility. A higher standard deviation indicates more spread out data and potentially higher risk. Variance. The square of the standard deviation, variance also measures data spread. It's used in finance to determine investment volatility and guide decisions. However, it's measured in square units, which can be less intuitive than standard deviation. Measures of position, z-scores and percentiles. Z-scores represent the number of standard deviations a data point is from the mean, used to compare data points from different distributions. Quartiles divide ordered data into quarters. Percentiles divide ordered data into hundreds. Outlier detection, use quartiles and IQR to flag potential outliers, which are data points significantly different from the others. Statistical distributions in finance. Frequency distribution organizes and summarizes data sets, showing the spread, center, and the shape of the distribution. Normal distribution, most important continuous distribution, applicable to many finance scenarios like average returns and portfolio values. Exponential distribution, often used to model time until an event occurs, like time to default on payments, more small values, fewer large values. Portfolio analysis and weights. Asset allocation, determine overall investment strategy. Sector weightings, balance exposure across industries. Individual stock weights, fine-tune portfolio composition. Rebalancing, adjust weights to maintain strategy. Data visualization techniques, bar graphs, compare percentages or frequencies across categories. Time series graphs show trends and patterns over time. Scatter plots visualize relationships between two variables. Histograms display frequency distributions for continuous data. R. R is a widely used statistical analysis tool in the finance industry. Its open source nature allows for continuous improvements and additions of new features. R provides a comprehensive set of functions for data analysis, graphing, and statistical programming, making it an invaluable tool for financial professionals seeking to perform complex analysis and create insightful visualizations.